This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broria Bas Chananya, Maseches Sheviis, Perek Tes Mishnah Gimel. In the previous Mishnah, we learned that Eretz Yisrael is divided into three lands: Yehuda, Evar Yarden, and Galil. And we learned that each of these lands is further divided into three parts: the mountain area, the lowland area, and the valley area. And our Mishnah teaches, V'lama Amru Shalosh Haratzos. Why did they say there are three lands? If when we look at it, it comes out that there are 9 lands, because each of the three is divided into 3. And the Mishnah explains, because when it comes to how long a person can eat a certain type of produce in each of these 3 places, we go by the whole Yehuda in Yehuda. And so if there's anything left in any part of Yehuda, a person is allowed to still eat it in a different part of Yehuda. And so too in Evar Yarden, and so too in the Galil. So the 3 lands are important. The Mishnah now presents an opinion that argues with what we learned in the previous Mishnah, in this Mishnah. Rabbi Shimon says, Lo amru shalish haratzos ela b'Yehuda. They only said this thing about 3 lands regarding Yehuda. In other words, only Yehuda is a land for itself, and as long as there's any produce left in the field in one part of Yehuda, a person is allowed to keep it in their house in another part of Yehuda, and once the produce is no longer available in any part of Yehuda, then a person can no longer keep it in their house in any part of Yehuda. So that only applies in Yehuda. But all the other lands in Eretz Yisrael, Evar Yarden and Galil, they are Kahar Hamelech, they are like the mountain area of Yehuda, where a lot of produce grows, and it was also the last place that still had produce. And then Rabbi Shimon concludes, when it comes to olives and dates, over there, the whole Eretz Yisrael is looked at as one land, and as long as there are olives or dates in any part of Eretz Yisrael, a person is allowed to still keep them in their house.